Well, it finally happened. The top intercooler hose on my Ford Everest has split. Now these are a well-known weak point on the Ford Everests, Rangers and BT50s. Now this particular one, it's split underneath that rubber band insulation that's on the intercooler hose, and it caused a sort of buzzing sound. I'm replacing mine with a genuine Ford part. There are plenty of aftermarket options available, but I just went for the quickest and easiest, which was from my local Ford dealer. Now to remove the old intercooler pipe, it is just 2 clamps on each end, one at the throttle body and one at the intercooler. Now it was a 7mm socket that I used to undo this, or you could use a flat screwdriver should you wish. The old intercooler pipe will just slide off both ends, and then it's just a matter of grabbing a new intercooler pipe and fitting it in place. Now the genuine replacement pipe from Ford does come with new clamps, which is fantastic, as you would not want to use old clamps with these turbo intercooler pipes because they do hold a fair bit of pressure. Make sure it's clamped down both at the throttle body and the intercooler, and that is done. That has been replaced. Now mine lasted 140,000 Ks before it burst. Put a comment down below how long yours lasted before it got a leak. Hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you check out some other videos.